Hi, and welcome to my unboxing on the RS3M 2020 edition. So, the packaging is really nice. Inside of the box, you get the cube, of course, an orange stand, and some accessories. On the accessories box, I have a pamphlet, a dual adjustment tool, and a dual adjustment replacement, and also two cards and a Moyo screwdriver. So that's really nice. So now let's get to the cube. Okay, so out of the box, I can say that it's really dry and the magnets are really weak. But performance is really good. As you can see, it can corner cut everywhere, basically. And reverse is also really good. Almost line to line. It's also really fast, which I really like. I like very fast cubes. So let's do a solve maybe. Uh, I messed that up completely, but oh well. It's maybe a bit tight, which is not the best, but it's okay. It's a bit frosted, but it's not too frosted, and actually the grip is really good. It seems like it's an eraser, so it's not that bad. And the cube overall flows very well. So let's look at the mechanism. So as you can see, there's 3 tracks here, probably for friction. Also 1 track here. I think the corner has 4x2 magnets and this one has 4x1, and I don't know the strength, so oh well. So now let's get to the dual adjustment system. Oh wow. The center has a very long base so that it's harder to, I don't know, I guess it's harder to pop because there's much more friction between the center and here, but it's not that hard to get it apart. So now let's get to the dual adjustment system. As you can see, this cube has a dual adjustment system, which means it can compress more or less the spring in order to make it more or less flexible and fast without losing corner cutting. So let's see how many adjustments there are. I think this is on the first setting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means there are 9 adjustments because it clicked to the one on the 10th. So that's pretty good. It means I think it has a pretty big range. So now I will try to adjust every side to the highest setting of the dual adjustment system to see how tight it is. I don't think it changed that much, but it did lose a bit of speed, which is not a bad thing for some people, but I did prefer when it was faster. Yeah, and now it's a bit more lucky, which is not the best thing. Okay, so now it's on tension 4, and I don't know, I feel like this dual adjustment system doesn't change really much, even though it gives you like a big range with 9 possibilities, but I don't really feel the difference between all the different adjustment possibilities. So now let's get to some solves and I give you my last impressions of this cube. So here are my final thoughts. This cube is amazing. It has super good performance, it's fast, and you can even customize the spring compression of the cube for only 10 bucks, which is amazing. However, there are some throwbacks to this cube. First, the cube feels really dry because it is not set up properly out of the box, but this can be fixed. Also, the magnets are almost unnoticeable, but overall I recommend this cube 100%. I will do a full review very soon, so check it out when I post it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!